Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add your friends on Spotify so you guys can share your favorite music to each other. So first, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon on the top left. From here, go to View Profile. And here, tap on the three dots. Here you'll see many options. Tap on Find Friends. Then you can go and connect it to your Facebook. After you tap on Connect Facebook, you will see recommendations of your friends who are added to your Facebook account. But if you want to share your profile to others, tap on the three dots, then tap on Share. From here, you can send your Spotify profile directly to others by either copying the link or sending it to them through Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook or TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.